I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey LaBugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Eayon here. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. Right here, I am showing you guys the unit. This is a 360 unit, and it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, it does have highlights. This is the color of the hair is number 4, and the highlights is number 27. And this unit only comes as a Pixie 10-inch unit, so you can only get it in this length. Now if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you LaBugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Eayon here. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their pre-plucked ombre highlighted number 4, number 27 pixie cut layered Brazilian 360 lace frontal wig. The length that this wig comes in is only 1 length, and it's 10 inches long, and the density is 150, and the color is number 4, number 27, and the cap size is, I think I got it in a medium cap. I could be wrong. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it says average size 360. So I guess I did get it in the medium cap size. And it says on here, Eayon Human Hair 5M Free Part Wig. So you can part this wig elsewhere if you want to. I did basically use the part that they had. I messed with it a little bit, but if I'm not mistaken, child, if I'm wrong, whatever I did in the beginning, but I do typically just use whatever parting that they have because your girl is lazy. Okay, so this unit, as I stated, is a 360 wig. I don't know what the thing is nowadays with 360s on shorter wigs, but honey, whatever. Or whatever. I don't typically utilize it. I don't typically utilize the 360 anyway, but I really don't on shorter wigs. But this does go all the way around the perimeter of my head. I just cut around my ears and then, you know, obviously did this part. With this wig, it does, if I'm not mistaken, come with a total of 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Honey, if I'm wrong about that, then honey, you saw it at the beginning. Okay, girl, don't come for me. Don't come for me. What else I want to say about this wig? As far as it being big head friendly, I did adjust the straps. Now I am wearing it in a medium cap size. You can get it in a small. That is an extra $5 and it is an extra 7 days. I personally think if you have a smaller head that you can make it work. I did, because it does come with one of those elastic bands that you can adjust if you want to, because you can probably wear this wig as a glueless. And had I gotten it in a small, I probably could have worn it as a glueless. But if you're not really, like, if you don't give a poop, then you can just get it in an average couch size and save yourself the 7 days and the $5, honey, okay? With this wig, it does say number 4 and number 27. I don't know. I feel like that number 4 is dark, but I could be wrong. That number 4 seems really dark. It looks more like a 1B to me, but I could be wrong because actually the number 27 looks good with it. And typically I don't like darker hair with 27. I do prefer it to be a number 4 or something. So maybe it's just me in my eyes. I don't know, because I really don't. I think the colors look good together. So maybe it is a number 4, child. I don't know. But yeah, it does say number 4 and number 27. And this is a pixie cut wig. So you can only get this wig in this style, in this cut. And you can't get it any longer. You can't get anything else. This wig did come with the layers. I didn't do any extra stuff to it. I didn't tweak it whatsoever. I didn't even tweeze it. So I'm just going to let you guys look at the hairline. And I think the hairline looks really decent. Like, let me know what you guys think, but I think the hairline looks decent. I'm not mad at the hairline whatsoever. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as that goes. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, I see some shedding on here, but I'm not sure if that's from me cutting the lace or what, because I don't remember it shedding prior to me cutting the lace. So I'm not 100% sure, but there's no tangles with this wig whatsoever, honey. It's this long. It better not tangle, girl. It better not tangle. It's a straight wig and it's this long. So yeah, it's not tangling on me at all. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the construction and all of that good goes. So obviously, I don't have to do a lip check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so how do I feel about this wig? Honestly, I really like this wig. I'm a fan of Pixies anyway, like most of you guys know. But, you know, with this wig, I wasn't 100% sure because it definitely does scream Hillary Clinton, honey. Okay, but I do love it. I think it is great professional or workplace hair, or even good mom hair. Like if my child was in somebody's school right now, because he's not, honey. He's in my school, which is never mind. This would be hair that he would consider mom appropriate. Like this whole look, my son would be here for it. Like even the color, because usually he don't like your girl to wear no color. But just the whole look just screams mother. You know what I mean? Like business mom. Mom that don't play no games. Serious mom. You know what I mean? And it also, it looks really business oriented. If I was going to like a business meeting or something like that, I just feel like this look screams, take me seriously. You know what I mean? So I really do like it. I like the hair, and it was really, really easy. It didn't take a whole lot for me to style this wig and to get her together, honey. She was easy. I was able to get my entire life like that. So I'm definitely feeling it. I think it is a really, really cute wig. I would recommend it. I have no issues with this wig whatsoever, honey. So I would recommend you guys just like checking it out. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Now, as far as what I did use on it, I had to use my baby flat irons because Nisha, remind me to get my flat iron strap. So I did use these and they did get the job done. This came in a BoxyCharm. And I did use my Cantu thermal shield. And that was it, honey. Okay, she did not take a whole lot. The hardest part was cutting the lace. And even that didn't really take a lot. Like, I like this wig. I think it is really cute. And like I said, it's great mom hair or, you know, serious business hair, honey. They're going to take you serious. Even though you got that splash of color right there, they still going to take you serious in the meetings, girl. Okay? You don't play no games. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you think she's a look? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.